U.S. beef stands out as a symbol of premium quality and exceptional flavor. With a strict grading system, beef is categorized into distinct grades, ensuring that every cut reaching consumers meets the highest standards. In 2020, the United States consumed approximately 13.8 million tons of beef, accounting for 21% of global consumption. Solidifying its leading position in the global beef industry. Join us on the fascinating journey of beef before it becomes a beloved dish enjoyed by many. Green agriculture technology, the impressive journey of millions of tons of beef. Before becoming a premium ingredient for exquisite dishes, beef must undergo a strict processing procedure to ensure its quality and perfect flavor. The carcass is thoroughly cleaned, with the skin, hair, and internal organs removed, while unusable parts are processed separately to optimize resources. Next, the meat is washed and transferred to the cutting stage, where skilled butchers or modern machinery divide it into standard portions. From large cuts to smaller pieces, suited for various uses. After classification, the meat is rapidly cooled to a temperature of 0 to 4 degrees Celsius to prevent bacterial growth and maintain freshness. Each stage is strictly controlled to ensure that the meat is not only of high quality, but also absolutely safe, providing consumers with the freshest products. After initial processing, the beef is transported to processing plants, where it is transformed into a variety of products to meet market demand. Corned beef is a beloved dish, appearing in classic sandwiches or pairing perfectly with cabbage. With its rich and distinctive flavor, making it a popular choice. Corned beef is processed into various forms, the most common being sliced meat, often used in sandwiches or served with eggs, and mincemeat, suitable for dishes like corned beef hash or canned for convenient storage and use. The process begins with the selection of beef, typically brisket or round cuts, which have an ideal texture for curing. When the meat arrives at the factory, it is thoroughly inspected, cleaned, and trimmed to remove excess fat or unwanted connective tissue. The meat is then divided into appropriately sized portions, ready for the curing process, which creates the distinctive flavor of corned beef. Curing is a preservation method using salt, which not only extends shelf life, but also enhances the color and unique taste of the meat. The beef is soaked in a special brine solution containing salt, nitrates to retain color, and spices such as mustard seeds, black pepper, bay leaves, and cloves. The curing time can range from a few days to a week. To ensure even flavor distribution, some manufacturers use injection techniques to directly introduce the brine into the meat. Once the curing process is complete, the meat is washed to remove excess salt and spices. At this stage, the meat becomes firm, develops its characteristic pink color, and is ready for cooking. Corned beef is typically slow-cooked in steam ovens or large boilers for several hours, ensuring tenderness while preserving its rich flavor. Corned beef can be vacuum sealed in airtight plastic packaging or canned for long-term storage without refrigeration. These products undergo strict hygiene and quality control before being distributed to stores worldwide. Not only corned beef, but many other types of meat also undergo elaborate processing to create distinctive products. One of these is salami, a famous dry sausage known for its rich flavor and unique texture. The process begins with selecting high-quality pork or beef, which is then finely ground and mixed with salt, garlic, black pepper, wine, and other signature spices. This mixture is stuffed into natural or synthetic casings and then undergoes fermentation to develop its characteristic taste. After fermentation, the salami is dried under strictly controlled temperature and humidity conditions for weeks or even months, allowing it to develop a firm texture and deep, rich flavors. Some varieties are lightly smoked or coated with natural mold to enhance the aroma. Once perfected, salami is ready to be sliced and enjoyed, a delicacy steeped in tradition and refined over time. From fresh beef cuts The sausage-making process begins with a delicate balance of modern techniques and traditional recipes. The beef is finely ground together with animal fat to add richness and bind the mixture. This blend is then thoroughly mixed with salt, spices, and food additives to improve texture and extend shelf life. Once achieving a smooth and consistent texture, the meat mixture is stuffed into sausage casings, either natural casings made from animal intestines or artificial collagen casings. Next, the sausages are either smoked or steam cooked, depending on the product requirements. This step not only preserves the sausages, but also enhances their distinctive flavor. Finally, the sausages are rapidly cooled, vacuum sealed, or frozen to retain their freshness before being distributed to the market.